Hi everybody, so today it'll be me and Libby working on our trailer. The main reason for this is that my siblings actually travel to vendor markets quite a bit. They drive several hundred miles. So what we'll be doing is adding an E-track system along the side here, one at the top or middle section and one at the bottom. And the main reason for that is because for all the stuff behind me, we have tables and racks right over here as you can see, and we just finally need a secure and safe way to put them in the back of a trailer. Before we did this with an open bed trailer, and as you can see there's some damages here as well as there's just tons of bugs all over the side of it. Installing the E-track system in back of that closed-in trailer will make sure that it's always safe and secure anytime we're traveling anywhere. So the next thing to address is very quickly what an E-track system is, so I'll go show you. The very quick version is that you can see all these little holes in between these rectangles. There's a ton of different attachments that you can use to put in here. On these upper ones, we'll be having strap attachments essentially, which are hooks that we can then strap all those really tall racks that I just showed you. But you can also see there's just holes in the top here, so all we'll be doing is screwing those straight into the metal studs against these screws. And that's really about it. So it'll just be a quick time lapse of me and Libby working together, installing these, and then putting all the racks back in here. Here's the reveal for all of our hardware that's used for vendor markets. Along the sides, you can see those E-track strap attachments I mentioned before. But with all that covered, we hope you enjoyed our short video today.